Home health aides play a vital, compassionate role in healthcare, providing essential support to those in need directly in the comfort of their own homes. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Paths series. A home health aide provides hands-on healthcare support to clients with illness, injury, or disability. It is a unique blend of medical assistance and daily care that makes for a truly rewarding career. This career offers competitive pay and strong growth, with a 34% increase projected. It is highly accessible, often requiring only a high school diploma and training. The demand for home health aides is rising rapidly. This is driven by an aging population, a preference for home-based care, and expanded insurance coverage. The primary duties of an aide are diverse, ranging from assisting with medications and checking vital signs to providing personal care and helping with errands. A day in the life of an aide is dynamic. From morning vital checks to meal prep and daily care, flexibility and attentiveness are essential. Beyond clinical tasks, home health aides serve as a trusted presence, providing emotional support and a sense of security to their clients. Success in this role requires a specific set of core skills, including empathy, patience, attention to detail, physical stamina, and clear communication. Starting your career is straightforward. Training typically takes 4 to 8 weeks, and many employers even offer paid training to help you get started. Your training program will cover key topics such as basic healthcare skills, infection control, safety, patient rights, dementia care, and emergency response. Who thrives as a home health aide? Those with a genuine desire to help others and the resilience to remain consistent and supportive, even on challenging days. The ideal candidate has a people-first mindset, is reliable, comfortable with ambiguity, and possesses a willingness to adapt to the unique needs of every client. Many factors influence your salary, including your location, your specific areas of specialization, the type of employer, and any additional certifications you earn. Flexibility is a major benefit of this field. Whether you are looking for full-time work, part-time, live-in positions, or per diem shifts, options are available. Every home and every client is different. This variety and the human connection you build are what make being a home health aide such a fulfilling career. Unlike hospital staff, home health aides work directly in clients' private residences, including houses, apartments, and assisted living suites across all types of communities. You will serve diverse clients, including older adults aging in place, individuals with disabilities seeking independence, post-surgery patients, and those managing chronic illnesses. You are a vital member of a team that includes the family. Supporting the whole household is key to building meaningful, long-term trust and professional success. In this chapter, we explore how you can continue to learn and advance your career in healthcare. A career in home health is a fantastic entry point. From here, you can choose to become a CNA, an LPN, or even a registered nurse. As you gain experience, you can specialize in areas like dementia care, pediatric support, hospice, or post-rehab recovery to deepen your expertise. Boost your profile with additional certifications. CPR, first aid, and specialized training in dementia care are highly valued and can open many doors. The industry outlook is bright. With 34% growth projected, there will be over 750,000 new jobs available, offering steady work and opportunity. Next, let's look at the practical steps to getting hired and beginning your new career. You can find opportunities through online job boards like Indeed, by applying directly to home care agencies, or via Medicaid waiver programs and personal referrals. When applying, emphasize your reliability and professionalism. Prior experience, a clean background check, and strong references are top priorities for hiring managers. During interviews, share your passion for caregiving. Practice answering scenario-based questions, and don't be afraid to ask about the support the agency provides. It is important to acknowledge that this work can be demanding. Building a personal support network of colleagues and supervisors is a great way to stay resilient. The rewards of this career are profound. You become an essential part of a client's daily life, helping them stay in the home they love. Your path is clear. Start by getting trained, searching for local job openings, and applying to agencies. Your meaningful new career starts today.